Hello and welcome to this introductory video on understanding computer systems. In today's video, we will explore the core components that make up a computer system and how these components work together to enable everything we do with technology. Computers have become an integral part of everyday lives. You will see that each time you're using a gadget, phone, it is a computer. However, people may not take that as something. So some of the components that make up a computer system could involve: one, you have a memory, that is RAM, motherboard, the processor, what they normally call the CPU, central processing unit. We have a video card, this is a monitor or a screen. We have a keyboard, we have a case fan. These are maybe storage devices like a flash disk. Then we have the CD-ROM, we have a hard disk as well. So those are some of the components that form a computer system. So we are going to look at one of them. For example, the CPU. The CPU is the central processing unit and it acts as the brain of the computer. So everything that you see in the computer, how it works, how it functions, they're all based on the CPU. Having seen all that, what we normally do is to organize or assemble these different components together to form what we call a computer system. So we would do, for example, if we needed maybe a desktop computer, we would get a keyboard, we would get a monitor, we would get a system unit that acts as a housing of all these other devices you see here. So together, when you combine them and connect them to the system unit and you connect them to the power source, the next thing is to maybe press the power button on both the system unit and the monitor. In doing so, you are doing what we call booting, starting a computer that has been previously off. That is booting. The starting of a computer that has been previously off. Here I'm going to take you through one of them. This is a desktop computer. It is covered to prevent dust from entering into the computer components. This one is a monitor. As you see, we have a mouse piece here and we also have a keyboard. Keyboard is right here, and then this is the system unit, which I talked about, that houses all these components. So what you do, you come up and connect these different devices. After you have connected everything and made sure that the power source is turned on, the next thing is to come and switch on. Press the power button on the system unit, on the system unit, and also the power button on the monitor. So whatever it is doing, that is what we call booting. So we are good to go. The next thing to do is you log in if you have the password and the other credentials. That is it for today. Let us meet in the next lesson. I remain Kizito Anrdew, your ICT teacher.